we had talked about, just briefly, we had talked about this in our day two, which is, and you shared with us that the NIST framework is super important. If you don't know where to start, and we even put the website down here, you can go to the website, take a look at it. Governments use this, companies use this. NIST gives you the ability to improve your cybersecurity program by helping you develop processes and procedures for identifying the exploitation or risk, protection of that, and detect people that are threats or systems that are threats, how to respond, and of course how to recover. We talked about a little bit of this when we talked about database backups. But again, being able to understand that this, if you don't have a starting point, this gives you the launch pad to develop your program. And what you'll find are there's a lot of programs that actually are used to help find information about your network and infrastructure and the threats that are going on. This is an example screen of Rapid7, but the top ones that we listed here in our day 3 class was Rapid7, Tenable Nessus, Arctic Wolf, Microsoft Defender VM, Qualys, and these are all programs that help you do these, just let's say, main things. And there's a lot more that it does, but we're just going to talk about 4 of them. It will help you identify the most common vulnerabilities for your environment, the infrastructure you support. This is why this is a program, right? And should be part of your program. You should find one of these tools. The vulnerability by severity, right? Because you could have some vulnerabilities, but it's a higher severity if it's, of course, your big digital assets, or the number of assets as a target for the vulnerability. So where are your assets, and then finding the things around it to ensure that those are not targets for people to get in. And then the most common malware that is being used in your environment against you. And so these are the type of programs that can help you. Like I said, this is Rapid7. You can search on your own the type of cybersecurity programs that can help you out, but give you the ability to see what others may see as of vulnerabilities within your infrastructure